Success belongs to those who take action. You've heard it before. Action takers are money makers. But what does that really mean? Well, it means the people who succeed aren't the ones who sit on the sidelines, overthink, or wait for that perfect time. They're the ones who take the first step even when they're unsure. If you've been looking for a way to earn real money online without endless trial and error, the Legacy Builder Blueprint will give you a proven system to make it happen. No more waiting, no more wondering. Just simple steps to start building your financial freedom today. If you are serious about building a future, contact me via my website, email, or leave a comment or a DM for all the information to get you excited and started today.